Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting prerequisites out of the way. Your iPhone must be up to date, and your PC needs Bluetooth or a USB connection ready. Install the bridging app on the PC and the companion permission if required on the iPhone. Once installed, open the app and grant Bluetooth, keyboard, and accessibility permissions on both devices. This step lets the iPhone appear as an external keyboard so the PC can accept keystrokes immediately. Next, pair the devices so your iPhone will act as the PC keyboard. Go to Bluetooth on your PC, find the iPhone, or accept the pairing prompt on the phone. If using USB, tap Trust on iPhone. Then open the bridging app and explicitly choose the iPhone as the input source, set the keyboard layout, and map modifier keys so shortcuts behave predictably. Make sure autocorrect and language match across devices, so typed text appears. Now you finish by testing typing in a text editor and switching apps to confirm reliability. Use the emoji and dictation keys as required. Make sure the iPhone stays awake for long sessions and monitor battery usage since continuous Bluetooth or USB input draws power. If input stops, restart Bluetooth on both devices, quit and reopen the bridging app, or unpair and repair the devices. That usually clears authorization or connection hiccups and restores the keyboard function quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.